Welcome to Section 3 of our Facebook Ads video training. In this section, we will show you live, step by step, how to set up every one of the 10 advertising campaigns that Facebook offers at the moment, which are boost your posts, promote your page, send people to your website, increase conversions on your website, get installs of your app, increase engagement in your app, raise attendance at your event, get people to claim your offer, get video views, and collect leads for your business. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Boost your posts. As you've noticed, after you created your Facebook page, the campaign objectives changed their order, bringing the Boost Your Posts, Promote Your Page campaign objectives to the top. In this and in the following 9 videos, I will show you how to create each and every one of the Facebook advertising campaigns available at the moment, step by step. First of all, click on Boost Your Posts. As explained before, with the Page Post Engagement objective, you'll be able to get more people to see and engage with your page posts. Now that you've created your Facebook page, you'll see it listed. As you can see, there is another page listed called Paleo Diet. I have asked someone else to set me as a page editor for one of his pages, which is something possible too. As you can see, there are several posts already created. There is an option of only showing posts that can be used with Instagram adverts. I advise you check that if you plan to advertise on Instagram at the same time. If I select the brand new page, you'll see there are 3 posts created. 2 of them were created by default when I uploaded the profile picture and the cover image, but those posts are not intended to be advertised with ads. You'll see the welcome post, which I posted following the ads guide advice, so it can be approved to be posted on Instagram. That is the one I will use for creating the advert. Then, you'll be able to name your campaign. Something else I'm sure you'll notice is that in every single campaign objective, there is a blue button called Create Advert Account. Some of the campaign objective options don't have it enabled, and some do. This is because you have not created a Facebook advertising campaign yet. You should click on it and create your advert account before moving on. If you'd like to learn more about creating your advert account, you can always click on Learn More. You can contact Facebook for help, ask the community, or check in the questions there. Here, you'll need to submit your account country, currency, time zone, and, in the advanced option, you'll be able to change the advert account name. Once you are done here, click on Continue. You can then create a Facebook advertising campaign. Then, you'll see the Audience section. Here you'll be able to define who you want to see your ads. You can learn more about it by clicking on Learn More. In this Help section, you'll be able to learn specifically about choosing your audience. You'll be able to contact Facebook, ask the community, look at featured questions, or see the frequently asked questions. An ads glossary is there to help you too. If you have created an audience before, you'll be able to see a list of them and use a saved audience. Once you are done setting up this audience, which is a pretty similar process for all campaign objectives, you can tick Save This Audience at the bottom of Targeting and save it, so you can pick it from this menu for future adverts. You can also create what is called a custom audience, which is an audience automatically created inside Facebook and made up of people who have a relationship with your business, whether they are existing customers or people who have interacted with your business on Facebook or other platforms. You can create it from your existing customer list, matching email addresses, phone numbers, Facebook user IDs, or mobile advertiser IDs to people on Facebook. From your existing website traffic, create a list of people who visit your website or view specific web pages. From your existing app activity, create a list of people who have taken a specific action in your app or game. When we created the Diabetes Care Facebook page, we already had some data about the diabetes topic. We will use that information as well. We decided that the location would be the United States. The age would be 35 and older, women, and English US. For detailed targeting, I would like to show you some of the most powerful targeting over the whole internet. There are 4 different targeting options you can use inside Facebook: demographics, interests, behaviors, and more categories. The demographics option will let you reach people based on education, employment, and household and lifestyle details. The interests option will let you research specific audiences by looking at their interests, activities, the pages they have liked, and closely related topics. The Behaviors option will let you reach people based on purchase behavior or intent, device usage, and more. The More Categories option will let you find any Facebook or partner categories for which you've requested access. This means that the efforts you made won't be wasted, because your ads will go directly to those people who you want to take a specific action. With the connection function, you'll be able to reach people who have a specific kind of connection to your page, app, or event. This will narrow your audience to include only people with that specific connection who also meet the other targeting categories you've selected. One important thing to consider is defining the place in which the ads will appear. The placements can be made in mobile news feed, Instagram, desktop news feed, or desktop right column. In addition to that, there is an option to choose the type of mobile device, whether they are iOS or Android. It is recommended to select all mobile devices. In the Budget and Schedule section, you can specify how much you're planning to spend and the time when you would like your ads to appear. The budget can be set on a daily basis or as a lifetime budget. Regarding the schedule, there are two options. You can set your ad to run continuously or within a date range you select. On the advanced options, you'll be able to consider other budget options. For optimization for advert delivery, you can decide to deliver by post engagement, by impressions, or by daily unique reach. For bid amount, you can choose between automatic or manual. For when you are charged, you can select by impression or by post engagement. For advert scheduling, you may find it is disabled because you already set that up on the schedule step. Finally, on the delivery type, you'll find something really awesome. You are even able to decide how fast you want your ads to appear, according to the budget predefined. You can choose Standard to show your adverts throughout the day, or you can choose Accelerated to show your adverts as quickly as possible. Finally, you can give your advert set a name. You can use the default one or change it if you want. Then click on Continue. Creative is where you'll be able to preview the image and text from your page post. Your advert will boost this page post. If you place your advert on both Facebook and Instagram, some of the engagement that you get will be on your Instagram post. You can preview your advert on the right. Here, you have the option to select a different post if you want. In the advanced area, you'll find out that Instagram is connected to represent your business for the ad which will be posted on Instagram. You'll also be able to set URL parameters and also pixels for tracking purposes. In the advert preview, you'll see how your ad will look exactly on the desktop news feed, on the mobile news feed, on Instagram, and on the desktop right column. You can remove them from the advertising campaign as well. Finally, you can review your order. To finish up the advert creation process, click on Place.